Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm in our latest project. And did you know the difference your choice of door can make to the look and feel of your home? We know what an important decision it is, and that's why we went with these gorgeous timber Louvre doors from Parkwood. For us, it absolutely brings to life our coastal vision, and it's such a quality door. These are closed louvers, and I'm going to show you where we've used open louvers elsewhere in the house. But when we saw these, we fell in love and literally put them everywhere. These Parkwood doors are handcrafted solid timber, and our builder absolutely loved working with them. In the pool house, we used a slight tweak on that design where these louvers are open and they've also got this middle bead as a little feature. And let me show you what we did in this kitchen to save a little bit of money and tie in the whole look. So we actually used some Parkwood doors and cut them down to half size for this underbench cabinetry. It looks like the other doors and it saved us a bit of cash. So Parkwood are family owned, they're door specialists and we love their products. If you're thinking about getting new doors, check out Parkwood.